park to ourselves. The rain came. Checking out Fallen Water State Park. Heading down the trail to the sinkholes and the waterfalls. It's gonna be a cool area. It's about 55 degrees, rainy. That's alright. Not gonna stop us from going exploring. I hear it. Yep. As we capped off our adventures through the Panhandle of Florida, we couldn't pass up the opportunity to admire Florida's tallest waterfall. Measuring 73 feet tall, plunging into a limestone pit, the water then flows into many sinkholes, underground caves, and streams, and ventures into the unknown. This 171-acre state park is home to some pretty significant history. During the Seminole Wars in 1816 to 1858, Seminole Indian warriors used the many deep sinkholes as a hideout against Andrew Jackson and his troops. The waterfall was later used to power a Civil War-era grist mill that was used to grind cereal grains into flour, and later was home to a distillery. So apparently, not supposed to swim with alligators. Now you know. Falling Waters is also home to one of Florida's first oil wells. In 1919, while searching for oil, they drilled over 4,000 feet to find oil. Although they found oil, it was determined to be insufficient for commercial distribution and later capped, as it is now. Man, we were so blessed. We've had the Falling Waters State Park to ourselves, really. Nobody else out here. The only car in the parking lot. A little rainy, a little drizzly. Saw a giant sinkhole caused by the acid erosion through the limestone over 20 million years. A lot of history here, a lot of learning to be done, a lot of exploration. Really, really cool. Definitely highly recommended. It was a great way to cap off our 3 or 4 days on our little Panhandle trail tour after scrapping the Georgia Traverse, but this wasn't bad. This was a good plan B for us, and like I said kind of earlier on, it's definitely worth not scrapping the whole trip if something doesn't go according to plan. Definitely make the best of what you can. Sorry about the shaky camera work here. Gimbal is dead. Yeah, if you haven't checked out the day 1, 2, and 3 videos, I'll link them down in the comments below. Definitely check those out first. Kind of capping off our toward Panhandle by the Falling Water State Park, checking out the waterfalls.